This is really great. You can have a shower in the train. Well, it stopped temporarily. I think it needs movement. Oh, there we go. Is another one. Another spot it's urinating in. How great. This is a new MUNI Advance. The sauna in the train. Cold sauna, I guess. I think this is the train number in case anybody in MUNI is looking. 1423A. So maybe you might want to fix it. Maybe. Have to agree with Scott Wiener. We do better maintenance. However, I'm not sure the money that gets allocated now is well spent. It needs to be audited and see how they're screwing up in a major way, which I'm sure they are. And also, I don't think it should be done at the expense of children. No children in San Francisco should have to pay, and they can't understand that that's a real burden for these families, these working families, to pay for that, extra money per month, because these supervisors like Wiener and Farrell don't live in reality. So signing off in the Mickey MUNI train.